Being an alliance partner is giving us more credibility and the trust with our customers and increase our footprint in the market.
Being an alliance partner always keeps us ahead in competition.
Being an alliance partner, we are very proud first. Next is in the value chain, we stand in a different way.
Being an alliance partner helps us to produce an optimum and efficient solution for our clients' needs.
We are proud to be a Schneider Electric Alliance System Integrator.
Being an alliance partner means, for me, leading the next wave of automation innovation together.
Being an Alliance Master supports our credibility with customers to be confident in developing solutions that are both future-proof and sustainable.
Being an alliance partner for us makes us more unique, I believe, to the customers, and we also get more credibility.
Being an alliance partner connects Schneider Electric's leadership in industrial automation with Westcon 32 years of expertise in connectivity and process automation. This allows us to deliver safer, smarter, and more reliable industrial solution to the Brazil market.